Brand new to our inventory here at Tameron Gulf Coast, we have this 2018 Chevrolet Silverado 1500 LTZ Crew Cab Pickup. On the outside, you have heated and power door mirrors, a rear backup camera, an ultrasonic front and rear park assist. Inside, you'll find comfortable leather seating for 5 with heated front seats, push-to-start technology, and a wireless charging pad. The 8-inch LCD touchscreen display has Bluetooth technology that'll keep you connected on the go. This one-owner 2018 Chevrolet Silverado 1500 has less than 56,000 miles, and it comes with the Auto Check Buyback Protection Plan. Give Tameron Gulf Coast a call today at 251-626-2641, or you can visit us anytime on the web at www.tamerongulfcoast.com for more information.